Hello, Los Nietos School District families. This video is designed to show you how to get into Google Classroom to complete work inside of a Google Doc or to complete work on a paper and submit an image into Google Classroom, all using an iPad. The first thing you'll need to do is get into your Google Classroom. So I'm on my iPad and I've entered Google Classroom. When I am using Google Classroom, I prefer to see all of my assignments within the Classwork tab on the very bottom of the screen. Then I can see everything organized by the topics that the teacher has assigned. In this case, the teacher has assigned all of the work by week. I'm going to find the assignment I'm going to work on today and open it. I'll be working on this top assignment, My Community, Responding Within a Google Doc. When I touch it, it opens. I see the directions. Open the attached Google document and respond to the prompt. So I have to go to the bottom and click Your Work. Now I have a blue Google Doc that I can open. When I open it like this, it's actually just a preview of what the assignment is. What I need to do is open this inside of Google Docs so that I can actually edit and respond to the prompt. So in the top corner, there is a square with an arrow. When I press it, it will allow me to view this document in Google Docs. It looks almost the same, but when I scroll down and double click my finger, I get a bunch of options. So when I've double clicked that and gotten the options, that tells me that I'm now able to edit this document. So I'm going to press return, and now I can type. It says, we have been learning about a good friend in our class community. How can you be a good friend? Be sure to respond with a complete sentence. So I'll just show you for my demo. I can be a good friend. And I'm not going to write the entire sentence out because you don't need to watch that. What you want to see is just that I double clicked here and I got a lot of tools. I can bold, italicize, underline, strike through or cross off text. I can change the color of my text. I can highlight. I can make my words be on the left, center, or right of the screen. I can add bullets, numbers, and I can adjust the margins of my bullets and numbers as well. I can undo and redo, and I can add an image or something else that I find. There's a lot that I can do. But let's pretend like I've completed my assignment and I'm ready to turn it in. I just check the checkbox in the top left corner. Little blue checkbox, check mark. When I've done that, it goes back to the previous screen, which was a preview of my response. There's the preview. Looks good. I'm going to go back again to my classroom, and I can press X. And I've already completed this document, even though it looks the same as it did before. I can now press turn in and turn in again. Then I get a notice at the very bottom of my screen, the assignment has been turned in. If I decide, oh, whoops, I turned that in on accident, I could press unsubmit and unsubmit again and continue working on my document by opening it back up. Now I'd like to show you what I would do in the event of completing a paper assignment and taking a picture of it. So I'm going to go back into my Google Classroom by swiping down out of that assignment and back. Now I'm back to my classwork view. I'm going to open the second assignment called How I'm Feeling. Within this assignment, it says complete the How I'm Feeling journal and then take a picture. So the How I'm Feeling journal is an assignment that I have done on paper. I've written responses, I've colored it, and now I need to show my teacher that I have done it by taking a picture of my paper and submitting it on Google Classroom. It says click add an attachment to add to this assignment before turning it in. So just like before, I need to click on Your Work. And before, I was given the option to open a Google Doc. On this particular assignment, there is no Google Doc. All I have as choices are add attachment or mark as done. Well, I haven't done it yet, so I won't mark as done, but I can add an attachment. I add an attachment, and I can either choose a file of an image that I've already taken. I can pick a photo from my photo bank within my iPad, or I can use the camera and take a photo right here. I can bring it over to my assignment, center it up, take the picture, and there it is, right inside of my document is the picture. I just say use photo. And now it's thinking for a moment. It's uploading the image that I just took. There's my image attached. Turn it in. Turn it in. And there's my notice on the bottom that the assignment has been turned in. I hope that is extremely helpful for you as you navigate how to use Google Classroom with your students or with your child on an iPad.